Hi there, my name is Gary Knight, and I'd like to welcome you to my FreshMembers membership website review with some bonuses. So, if you got to this video, you've either stumbled across it, which is a good opportunity for you, or you're looking for an income stream, or you're actually looking for a membership site. So either way, congratulations, you've got to the right place. So, membership sites. People normally use them to either two things. One thing is that you have a small training that you want to put out, like you see around, and you want to have a platform to put it on. This is perfect, because on this one you can have unlimited amount of sites. So you can have, if you have many things you want to train on, you have this. Or you want to have just one membership site that you want to have and have people pay to go in, and over time you have monthly income. It can be small, but over time you get 100, maybe 1,000 people. It does add up. So this is a perfect income stream if that's what you're looking for. And good thing about this is that once you set it up, let it go. Let the traffic take it, and people start coming in, and you get money as you go along. So that's the basis of a membership site. But this one is particularly great. But let me go into the sales page. Now the sales page, as it says here, the number one secret to transform a single customer into dozens of future sales, which is absolutely true. It's because you got your monthly payment, so one customer stays on, and as long as your content is useful, and you're constantly adding more, these people will not go away. So you have, actually I'll let you delve into the sales page. The link is on the bottom, or if you haven't got there, or just if you come for the video, the link will be on the bottom in the description, so you can jump onto the sales page and you can see what it's all about. So, like I said, it's a membership site. And to understand more about this membership site, if you continue watching this video, you can go into 3 testimonials of 3 guys who've used this, and they'll tell you their experience and what they think of the product. And then, please, if you continue again, you'll see the introduction to the product, and then you'll see a little demo of actually how it works and so on. So you can see that, you will see actually that how simple and easy it is to put together. So I won't actually explain it, you'll see for yourself. So I'll let the guys next to tell you more about it, as in their testimonial, and tell you how they feel and what they think of it. And then don't forget, demo, so introduction and then a demo, okay? Also, after that, I'll show you the bonuses, like I said at the beginning, bonuses, that if you do choose to purchase, what you will get, okay? So, speak to you soon. Bye.
Hey there, it's Mike Thomas here from MikeFromMaine.com. I just wanted to do a really quick testimonial for Mark Thompson and his new software, FreshMember. I just got doing an interview with Mark, and I have to say I'm super impressed with it. Membership sites are one of those things that we should all be doing. However, a lot of the time it's just too complicated to set up these different softwares and WordPress plugins. With FreshMember, I can honestly say that it is super easy to get everything set up, and you can start worrying about the content you're going to be putting into your membership site instead of worrying about the tech stuff. It's definitely something that can help out your business, whether you're an internet marketer or you have an offline business or you're doing any other niche out there. Reoccurring income is going to make your life a lot easier and make it so you can sleep a little better at night. So great job, Mark, and definitely if you're considering picking this up, grab it today.
I've been running my own website in the weight loss niche for the last 5 years. When I first came up with the idea, I had no idea where to start. I was not a very technical person, so I thought that would be my barrier. So for years, I tried hacking together a site with different WordPress plugins that pretty much ended up breaking my site. When I started using FreshMember, it was easy directly out of the box, nothing to install, configure, or upload. We made the switch and our members are loving the new platform. Keep up the great work, FreshMember team.
Hey Mark, and everyone listening to this, it's Adil here from adilmarcy.com. I just want to go say, dude, damn it, I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning the other day after promising myself only 10 minutes to play with FreshMember.com. After just seeing what the power was and what was behind it, I just went ahead and had to see what it could do to what extent with every single facet and try and break the damn thing. It's so rock solid. It integrates with my PayPal accounts, my JVZoo accounts. It's got custom order pages. It's got my autoresponder accounts. It's got every single thing that you can think of that I would want as a marketer that creates membership sites for both online and different niche markets. Having these just there and having this the way that it's set up is so beneficial because it means I can get it done quickly and easily. So I want to thank you again, dude. This is an awesome piece of work that you've just created, and I can't wait to see what it brings. So if you're thinking about getting it, get it. This thing is totally worth it, and you will not regret a single thing.
Okay, so welcome to the FreshMember demo video. Just want to show you inside of the admin area as well as what a member would see when they log into one of your membership sites. So it's really super easy to navigate and to create a membership site in literally minutes. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log into your dashboard where you can see all the different membership sites that you are managing, and you can see things at a glance. So how many different projects you have, the total number of members you have aggregated over all of your different membership sites. And then you can see each one individually. So you can go right directly to one of your membership sites if you want to. You can see the data was created, the number of members, the number of comments, and then who is an admin for your members or membership sites. So you're able to have as many administrators as you want to. Maybe those are people who are contributing content or moderating comments or adding new accounts, whatever it may be. You can see all the different people who are contributing. Now, we do have a few different options right directly from the dashboard. You can go and create a new project, which I'll do here in just a second, but you can also quickly add a new member if you want to. So all you need to do is just click on that button, and you can add in someone. If you want to add someone manually, you can do that. But we also have lots of different payment gateway integrations, so things like PayPal and Stripe you can integrate with. Now, we also have these quick links that you can go to manage your different membership sites or actually go inside of the configuration or setup area. But what I'll do just for this demo is show you guys how to walk through the wizard that we have and how easy it is to set up your membership site. So you just click on Create New Project, and it's just going to take you through some basic membership settings. So what you would do is just say this is for a project that I'm working on. So we call this like the outsource project, and this will give you a unique membership URL. Now, once you have this membership URL, you're going to be able to create what's called a CNAME record, so you can have this mapped to one of your other domains if you'd like to. So if you want to have them log in at, say, members.theoutsourceproject.com, so it's branded for your own URL, you can do that at in a later time. Okay, so you can just give this a description if you want to, and then you have the option to add a forum if you want. Okay, so you can either enable or disable it depending on if you want to have that type of interaction, a pretty standard forum where people can post threads and people can reply to those threads. Okay, so that's completely up to you if you want to add that. And then we're going to hit next, and we're going to go into the design and branding options. So what we've done is we've created 10 different themes that you can choose from in terms of your different look and feel. So you can go and take a look at each of these different themes if you'd like, and choose what type of design you would like for your membership site. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this design, and we're going to have that load. And you can go in and change the look and feel whenever you want to, so it doesn't really matter how you build out your site. Each of these themes will work with however you lay it out with your navigations and options. And so once you've selected your design, you can choose like the background color, the footer background, and then you can also upload your logo so it shows up inside of the members area. Okay, then from there, you can choose what integration you want to use for when somebody purchases your membership site. So you can integrate with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, as well as DigiResults. We're adding in other integrations with like Pay Kickstart and Infusionsoft and some other integrations as well. So depending on when you're watching this video, there may actually already be some other solutions as well. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just, if you want to process through credit cards, you'd have to use Stripe. If you want to process through PayPal, you'd have to obviously enable those and then set up those configurations. Okay. After that, you're going to choose all of your different membership levels. So this is how, if you want to have different levels, maybe different price points, all you need to do is set up those levels, choose your price points, and then you also get an order link, which we have these pre-configured checkout pages that look great. These have been tested before, and these are beautifully designed. So as you can see, they look great. And then on step 5 here, you just have to integrate with your email integration. So this is how, for everybody that gets added to your membership site, you can add them into your autoresponder. So we have lots of different API integrations. Then we'll also have the ability to add in, just a raw HTML form code if you want to integrate with just any autoresponder. Now we also have the ability to allow you to control the templates that get sent out, the receipt, like the customer receipt, then the welcome email, and then the forgot password. So you can completely customize this with shortcodes. So you can tailor it for that specific member and have it say what you want it to say. Then after that, you're going to click next and you're going to go into your checkout pages. So we have 4 different checkout page designs that you can utilize. So right now we're using this one, but you can use any of these and they look great. And then from there, you are ready to go. So we've completed that setup, and it brings you right into kind of the membership dashboard. So this is where you can control all of your different members. You can control the different member pages as well as site pages. So there's a difference between member pages and site pages. Let me just show you an example of one. So site pages would be kind of all of the navigation generally at the top. So it'd be like a welcome page, maybe a link to support. It could be just general navigation things, and then usually your membership pages are something like this when you go into module 1 or week 1 or however you're going to structure your content, and you can go and you can click here, and then it'll show the content and then the post, and then if you have any types of downloads as well. So depending on the design that you're using, you'll be able to structure how this stuff looks and how it's laid out. But all you need to do to create a page is click on we're going to go to member pages, and then you can create categories and then create pages underneath that category. So maybe this is module 1, and say who I want to give this access to. So say this is for the basic level customers. I'm going to enable this category, and then from there I'm going to add this category. So now that I have that module, I can go in and just start creating a new page. Okay, so this is page 1, whatever, and then you have just like a normal WYSIWYG editor. If you guys have ever used WordPress or any other content management solution, you should be pretty familiar with this kind of layout. You can just put in all of your content, your videos. You could have a little page excerpt which would show up on the module on this page here, would show up underneath as a description. Right, and then you have your SEO settings if you want to optimize this. Now, all of this content is going to be locked down unless you make it free, which you can make it free or available to anybody if you want to. The majority of you guys are probably going to be locking this content for members, but you can go in and you can publish this content. If you want to choose a specific date that you want this to be published on, you can do that. If you want to add a drip feed, so when someone signs up, they don't get access to this content for say 8 days. Okay, you can attach a feature image if you want to. Select which category this content goes under. Select who the author is. You can enable or disable comments, and then we also have 2 different layouts, but we're adding additional layouts as well. So depending on how you want this content to be laid out on the page, you can choose how you want that to look. Okay. And then you can just click on browse, and then you can start to upload any images or PDFs or any type of downloads that you have that you want to attach to a specific page. So that is how you're going to add in your content. Again, you can do the same thing with site pages, like a welcome page, which that's where everybody will go when they first log into your membership site. Okay, then you can go in and create your different navigations. Now, maybe depending on the navigation for a specific level, it may be different for each level. So all you need to do is just go and click on the categories that you want and just start adding in where you want them to be. So you have your top navigation, your sidebar navigation. You can add in custom links as well, and you can just save that menu, and then it'll start to reflect on your the front end of your membership site. Okay. Then again, this is where you can just start to go and edit any of the comments. So when people are commenting, this is just your moderation queue here. You can easily delete or mark as spam or mark it approved or unapproved. Then we also have reports as well. So right now there's nothing showing, but as members start to come in, you can see your member activity, sales history, as well as your members count. And then everything that we customized before, you can go in here and change. So we also have a theme editor, so you can go in if you guys are familiar with HTML and CSS and all that kind of stuff. You can go in and actually change the templates to do whatever that you want them to do. Okay, but you don't have to. That's just obviously an option. Then you can also go back in here and click on like domain mapping. So if you want this to go to a specific URL that people will log into for your own site, you can do that in just a few minutes. And then you also have your admin area where you can start to add in different site admins that can help with controlling your comments and adding content and anything that you want to do from a day-to-day operational standpoint for your membership sites. So as you can see, guys, we do add lots of different features and functionality throughout, as this product evolves. So we're going to, when you look at it now, it may be a little bit different than how it'll actually look, but we did try to add in as many features and functionality that you guys wanted based on all of your feedback, and we continue to have our team add in additional features. So that was just a quick kind of run through of FreshMember, and we look forward to seeing you guys inside of the members area.
Hi again, nice to see you back. Now, as you're here, you must be thinking, where's these bonuses? So let me show you the bonuses here. Now this is the bonus page. This little video here is basically what you're watching now. And as you can see this countdown, there is a countdown to access these bonuses. So wherever you get to, wherever you are, when you view this, have a look at this first, and you can see how long before you may lose the opportunity of getting these bonuses if you purchase. Okay? You can always purchase it whenever you want, but these bonuses will not always be here. Okay? Remember this. So, first bonus. You have $800 in ads credit. So, once you build your membership site, you'll have $800 in promoting your website or your membership site. This is useful if you know what you're doing. If you've never done any ads credit, any marketing ads, keep this until you know what you're doing, because this is going to be a complete waste if you try to use it and you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so go on YouTube, whatever you need to do, find out how to do it and then use it. This is not going to expire, so don't worry, this will always be here. If you know how to use it now or never. But if you don't know what you're doing, please keep it safe until you know, because you're just going to end up wasting it. Okay, so next bonus is all these pink buttons here is a link to back to the main screen so you can purchase. Okay, now as I was saying, next bonus is a training. I see Fiverr here. This is another opportunity of an income stream. If you know how to do something and someone will hire you, this is Fiverrlicious. This basically, if you heard of Fiverr, this will show you how to set up and actually start making money from Fiverr. And here, if you're into affiliate marketing, or if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, this is a training of how to do it, okay? Another income stream. Now, this is full of income streams here. This is called Square One Commissions. This is another opportunity to know how to basically start making commissions. I know it sounds crazy because this is like the same thing, but the more training you have, more understanding you have, the more money you can make. And these here are all the training to enable you to make money, okay? So, another opportunity here is called Incentric. Incentric is something that I've actually used myself, and it's enabled me to make some money on the side. Extra money, and it basically tells you how to create your own product. Now, this is perfect with a membership site, because if you have your own product, you can put it on the membership site and host it there, and then you can basically have all this in one. Like, this is a free training, and then you already have the membership site, so you can put together, bam, another income stream. And regarding income streams, you need to kind of, let's say, multiply yourself. You have to do many different things, and this is a product called the Fuego Multiplier. It basically is a system to help you multiply what you're doing to make your system more streamlined, more automated. That's the word I'm looking for, automated. The more automations you have, the more things you can do, so you can basically set something up and then walk away and do something else, and that thing will constantly make you money, like a membership site. And Awakening as well. This is another product as well. These are all products. I'll let you go through these as well to see what you have. You just click and find out what they are, little explanations. They are huge, and also you've got all these products here as well. All of these products. So once you purchase, you get your hands on all of these things. And I'll let you jump on this bonus page and see exactly for yourself, because I know I'm flicking up and down here, you can't actually see properly, but you can actually look into yourself and see what it is. Okay, so that's my bonus page. So let me go to here, and I've got to show you one thing. Let me see, go down to, hopefully we don't mess up. Yes, the price. There's only two prices, mainly the monthly payment. So if someone's paying you a monthly subscription, this kind of pays for itself. So if all you need is a couple of subscribers, depending on how much you want to charge for your monthly subscribers. But if you're paying for this monthly, then those guys will pay this for you, or you can pay yearly, up to you. And I haven't actually worked it out, but I'm sure it's cheaper to pay yearly than monthly. And that's the product. So if you're looking for a really good income stream, this membership site is the one. You don't have to choose this membership site, but please choose one, because having a membership site is an opportunity for you to have an income stream that actually works for you. And this is one of the better ones out there. And this will actually help you to do everything. It's constantly upgrading. They do look after you. It's not like a product you put out and then 6 months later it doesn't work. This has been out for years. And as you may notice in some of the demos, they have updated some of the system, so you can see that they actually are doing what they say. And actually, just to clarify, here you have unlimited projects and sites. You have unlimited members and unlimited admins if you want to actually help. So you can even, if it gets big, you can actually pay somebody else to look after it for you. So it's completely hands-free. You just need to make sure they're doing what they're meant to be doing. That's it. So I hope it's been helpful to you to make your decision to create your own membership site. If not, well, find something that will. So thank you for watching. Get a night out and see you again. Bye.